I made this shower caddy a while back, but recently wanted to build something different to replace it. One day, after looking at the soap bottles sitting on the sides of the tub, I realized a shelf extending across the tub might be another way to store those bottles. I want to work on a PVC version of this next. I've mentioned this many times, but one of the reasons I screw my PVC projects together is so I can easily disassemble old projects and recycle the joints for use on new projects. The steel screws have rusted quite a bit from this old project, so I'll be using stainless screws on the new shelf. I searched Amazon to see if there were similar products and found some bathtub trays. They look a bit more organized than what I plan to build, but I'll stick to a basic flat shelf that runs across my tub. This is a deconstructed view of the PVC pieces that I'll combine into the bat shelf. As you can see, it's an extremely simple build that only requires a fraction of the joints that were needed for the shower caddy. As usual, I'll be using screws to secure the joints. I did pick up some stainless steel screws to accommodate the wet environment, which should avoid the rusting that occurred to the screws from my PVC shower caddy. I didn't give any dimensions for the shelf because it should be built to fit your specific tub. The overall width of my PVC shelf is about 1 inch shorter than the width of my tub, which is 26.5 inches. For the surface that will serve as the shelf top, I'm using a sheet of 1/4 inch thick plexiglass. Its size is cut to the outer perimeter of the PVC frame, and the corners are cut to line up with the contour of the PVC elbow. It'll be screwed in place with 4 stainless screws, 1 on each corner. There's nothing to support the center of the plexiglass along the long edge, so if its bending becomes a problem, I can still add a snap-on as support. This T I'm screwing in to the long edge is a stopper to prevent the shelf from sliding side to side on the tub. I've already sized the shelf on the tub, and where I'm screwing in the T is exactly where it needs to be when the shelf is placed against the back wall of the shower. There's no real mounting necessary for this shelf, it's just a matter of placing it where I plan to, making sure the edge stopper is flush against the tub, and that should be it. The fit is very snug and doesn't seem like it'll move around easily. There's lots of room for what I keep in the shower, which is only a bottle of shampoo and a bottle of liquid body soap. I hope you too can use this alternative way of storing your shower supplies on something other than a shower caddy. Leave your questions and comments in the comments section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.